season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Time to party, celebration. People dancing all night long. Time for presents and exchanging kisses. Time for singing Christmas songs. Everybody. We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find a girl underneath the mistletoe and kiss my candlelight. The room is swaying, records playing, all the old songs love to hear. Oh, I wish that every day was Christmas. What a nice way to spend the year. Love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Won't you find anyone? Falling all around me. It's season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Just waving at the paramedics in there. It's season, love and oh, you've been tackled. Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh, I'm in the mood now. I'm in the mood. Oh, who's this big chair here? Oh dear, that's a big chair. Is that yours?
No.
When I saw you come down in your shorts before, I thought, bloody hell, that reminds me, I must get a chicken on way home. Oh, it's lovely. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Normally I have people that do shit for me like this, but I've come to a tent tonight. Just hang on. Yeah, normally like the people, the backstage people, they all bring it for me, what it is, you know what I mean? Put your crown back on. Now, my mate come in earlier, Harry Potter. What's your name? Harry, Sam, come out here for us, mate. Sit there for me, Sam. That's it. You sit yourself there, mate. Driving home for Christmas, I can't wait to see them